The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University present this tutorial on downloading your students' exam attempts. This tutorial will walk you through the process of accessing and exporting their attempts in various formats for further analysis and record keeping. On your course, turn on the edit mode. Navigate and click on the assessment, quiz activity you have added to your course. Once on the quiz page, click on Results. On the results page, you will have a drop-down menu with 4 options: grades, responses, statistics, or manual grading. Select responses. On the responses page, under the display options, make sure to tick question text and response checkboxes. Then, click on Show Report. From the Download Table Data as menu, select the required file format. Finally, click on Download to save the file. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching. Please don't hesitate to contact us for further support.